Hi, my name is Irfan and I'll be talking about real numbers and order of operation. What do real numbers mean? Real numbers are numbers that can be represented anywhere on the number line. Examples are 1, 5.3, pi, half, and square root 8. They contain of rational and irrational numbers. What are rational and irrational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers that can be represented as a fraction, meaning they have decimals that terminate or repeating. They also contain integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. Whole numbers are positive integers that start from 0, so they would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Natural numbers are all integers that begin from 1, so they would be your counting numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Irrational numbers cannot be represented as a fraction, meaning they have decimals that go on forever. Examples are pi, square root 2, square root 3, or square root 10. An example of real numbers is measuring the amount of ingredients for a recipe. Let's say you want to bake a cake. So following this cake recipe, you can weigh out 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, and 2.5 grams of salt. And of course, you can count the one egg. Now let's talk about order of operation. What is order of operation? Order of operation refers to the correct sequence of evaluating a mathematical expression. The order begins from brackets, order, divide or multiply, and finally add or subtract. And you would have to evaluate from left to right. Your teacher has given you math homework and you must solve this equation for her. How would you do it? Firstly, you would have to look at brackets. In the bracket, 9 minus 6 would be 3. Next, we will look at order. 2 squared would be 4. And next, we will look at divide or multiply from left to right. In this case, it will be 5 times 3, and that will be 15. Next, 15 divided by 2 would be 7.5. Last but not least, add or subtract. So 4 plus 7.5 would be 11.5.